Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Prisha. Today we're going to be learning homophones. First, do you know what homophones are? Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings. Remember, because we are going to learn all about homophones today. They sound same, they have different meanings, and they have different spellings. So, let's start with our first sentence. I can't wait to receive your letter in the mail or mail. First, wait, wait. First one, wait. Let's wait for 5 minutes, or let's wait until the class starts. Second one, wait. How much pounds do you weigh? How much does that elephant weigh? It's talking about the time. We have to wait for the mail to come, right? But we are too excited. So we can say it's wait. The first one. Now, to receive I can't wait to receive your letter in the mail or mail. The first one is a mail. It's talking about boys, men, women, or girls. And then the second one is mail. Your letters. So we're talking about the letters, right? And we can't wait for a person to come in our mailbox. Is that even possible? A letter will come in our mailbox. So we can say it's mail. Right. Sentence 2. We ate lots of meat for dinner. First one. We ate. This one is the past tense of eat. And the second one is the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Lots of meat or meat. So the first meat means the food, right? We have the meat food. And meet. I will meet my friend in the park. So we are talking about dinner. Dinner, we eat food. We just at night, right? And meat is a type of food. So we can say it's meat. Sentence 3. We watched an eagle soar through the sky. The first soar means something is high above in the sky. And the other soar is like, I have a sore throat. Give me some water. And we know an eagle flies very high in the sky, and soars also flying high in the sky. So we can say it's number 1, soar. Sentence 4. Tomorrow we're going to the beach or beach. First one is the place where there's some sand and the ocean, right? So it's a place. And the second one is, the plant beach? Well, the BEECH is a plant. So we are we're obviously going to a place. So, and the beach is a place. So we can say number 1, beach. Yeah. The next sentence. My uncle always has a good tale to tell. Our options start with T, and our last word also starts with T. So, tail. The first one is, fairy tales? Yeah, it's the tail. And the second tail is, elephant or tiger's tail, monkey's tail. That's the tail. And then to tell, how can we tell about the tail? We can, but it's not exactly interesting or something. A tale. Fairy tales are interesting to tell, so we can say it's number 1, tail. Fairy tales. Okay, next one. Number 6. make sure the brake or brake works on your bike. So, brake. The first one is like, the cars have a brake, or our bikes or bicycles, they have a brake, right? And the second one is to break something. Hey, that boy just broke my toy. So the first one is brake, and we're talking about a bike. A bike has a brake, but we want to stop our car with a brake. We don't want to break our car. Who wants to break it? So we can say it's number one, brake. What is the sum of 2 plus 2? We know it's 4. And so the first one, means a little bit of something. I want some milk, or I want some cookies. And the second sum means the answer of addition. What is the sum of 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is an addition problem, so we can say it's the sum. Yeah, we finished! I hope you really, really liked this. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye!